fam, so today we're going to be doing some Valentine's Day hairstyles. I am super excited. We are going to be working with this gorgeous hair from Eva Hair. If you have not heard of them, they are an amazing hair company, and they have some of the best synthetic wigs that I have ever tried, and they are so amazing. If you have not checked them out yet, I will leave them in the description below. You can also go to their website, evahair.com, and check out their wigs. They have, I'm telling you guys, every color you can imagine, and every style you can imagine, and every length you can imagine, and it is so amazing. Did I have lipstick on my nose that whole time? Oh well, this is real life. This is the reddish brown wig. It is honestly what dreams are made of. Really quick, my name is Josie. Hello! Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It's that red button. It's free, and if you click that and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos. And let's get into this hair tutorial. Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day hairstyling tutorial, and we're going to start off by parting a section about an inch in width and about 4 inches down from your part, and we are going to French braid that. And then once we're done with the French braid, we're going to continue to braid and secure the braid. Then we're going to fluff the braid. Fluff this braid by pulling on individual braid pieces all the way down. Don't be shy, because this is what gives the braid a more fuller look. And you could stick with this as your look, or you could turn it into a flower braid. How you're going to do this is you are just going to roll this up slow and steady and then pin it in with a bobby pin. You can even add another rose braid to the other side of your part. And then we are going to move on to the next style. We are going to take the top section of our hair and we are going to pull it up and just brush it out. And then you're going to just play with it, make it as big or as small as you would like, and pin it in. What I like to do is crisscross 2 bobby pins and then take a third one and go down the middle to make sure it's super secure. And then for the next style, we are just going to take a little bit more hair on both sides and brush it out. And then we're going to just twist it in our hands and fluff the twist out before wrapping it around itself on the top and bobby pinning it in. This is super easy, and I do this with my regular hair all the time. It's one of my go-to styles. For this easy style, we are just going to take a 2-inch part and we are going to fishtail this. Now, a fishtail is easy to do. Really, all you're doing is just taking a little piece on the outside part of 2 pieces and then pulling them into the middle each time you pull from the outside. I hope that is easy to understand. We're going to go about 4 inches down and secure, and then pin that in and pull down some hair over it to hide the elastic band. Alright, so we are going to go up with this next hairstyle. So what I like to do is just part half of the up style in a ponytail and then get the other half up as well. Then once we have the other side up, we can take the ponytail out of the other side and add them together. This makes it a little bit easier to control when you have a lot of hair. And then we're just going to smooth that out, tie it up into a ponytail, and then pull it tight. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take a piece of hair from the back and we're going to braid that all the way down, secure with the ponytail. And what I like to do is take a bobby pin and secure the braid down first before you wrap it. That kind of helps it be a little bit more even around the ponytail, and then just bobby pin that in and you are done with this look.
Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragon.
This next look is super easy and really creative. All you're gonna do is part your hair down the middle, and this is actually an ankle bracelet. This will work with pretty much any bracelet or ankle bracelet. You're just going to bobby pin it to the middle of your part and then let it hang down as much as you want. Bobby pin your sides back or leave your sides down, whichever you prefer. This look is super festive. For the last look, we are going to swoop all of our hair to one side and braid it all the way down. And then once you are done braiding it all the way down and securing it with an elastic band, we are going to fluff this braid a lot. You want it to be super big, and you can even have it be a little bit messy. Once you are done fluffing the braid, you are just going to tuck the end and roll it up and kind of turn it towards the front or back, whichever one looks better. And then you're going to pin it down with as many bobby pins as you want. Then, for a little nice touch, we are going to take that same ankle bracelet and pin it in to the top of the bun. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And also, don't forget to check out Eva Hair down in the description box below. You guys, in the comments below, let me know if you have a wig from them, and if you have a wig from them, do you love it? I know you do. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. I love you guys so much. Bye!